Now, a smile detector on a camera does seem to be. I don't know why you'd want a smile detector. What are you supposed to do after it detects it?
With stills, I can see. My smile detector isn't on yet. Smile bigger. No, bigger.
Yes.
Oh, there's a cemetery.
Oh.
And all those little. Did you see the mounds of dirt
No.
in the cemetery? They were there
Oh,
too.
they were there
that
too.
we saw.
Well,
the
that's
other day.
probably a good sign. Now this looks like kind of truck farming. Some of this.
Yep,
You know.
sure does. Sure does.
And the countryside is getting much prettier as we go. Now, is this being recorded for posterity or posterior?
It's being recorded for our ancestors.
Ancestors.
Yeah.
The ancestors are going to certainly enjoy it.
Those in future years will
Those aren't the
marvel at these
ancestors.
wonderful pictures of these adventurous young Davenport Americans.
Yes, we were too young to go on the toboggans.
Exactly. Now, I want you to know
At the
none
Great
of us
Wall.
have had a drink, despite the hour and the mood.
Well, there's beautiful Susie.
By the way, did you guys catch how to say Great Wall in China?
No.
Great the Wall.
That's how you say it.
That sounds like my Chinese Hebrew gibberish.
I always describe the backyard to people as being vivid green and red clay. And the contrast, I mean, it looks like Christmas all the time. It's just beautiful.